they catch you also anytime, just say you're feeding the stray dogs.
Feeding stray dogs.
These are stray dogs. One second. Come here, come here. These are stray dogs. Just gave him some biscuits. I carry some biscuits, I carry some chocolates for myself. But this guy has become very friendly with me. Just see him. I wish I could just see him. And they're really lonely. And please, I request all of you in Bandra or wherever, feed the stray animals. It's very important because this is their life. Just see. I mean, this guy needs love. Just see. Really feed them. If you carry some biscuits with you and if you see them, you give it to them because that too is not enough. See this. He's a very good guy. Come here, look here, look here, look here. Just see that. Say hello, say hello. Say hello. So Saeed, how are you? Now I have to get up. I'm at Bandstand now and walking all the way home. This is Bandstand. There is absolutely no vehicle here. You can see no vehicle here. The police is having Nakabandi. They stopped cars moving on Bandstand. But I must tell you one more thing. The Mumbai police are doing a fabulous job of law and order. They have not allowed, just see this. They have not allowed anyone to come into the promenade. There are few people walking. They have allowing them to walk. That side is Rekha Ji's bungalow. Rekha Ji, famous actress, Umrao Jahan. This Bandstand. Hi, Sarovar. I was trying to call you just to inquire about your. I'm at Bandstand. Sarovar ji, I tried to call you to find out about your how you were and everything. My daughter has already left Delhi. She's in Goa, Madgaon. I wanted to know if everything is well with you, but then you did not respond to my call. Weather is fine, it's pretty cool. It was very hot, Raman. It was very hot, but now it's pretty cool. The Mumbai police, you see them, they are patrolling this area. Sometime back they stopped all the cars from moving around here. I wish I can show you all. There are these dogs, stray dogs here. You can see all the stray dogs. There are few people walking. The weather is very fine over here. So absolutely, the promenade is empty. You see the promenade. The rocks are bare, no lovers. All the lovers are fled. There are few cyclists. I began documenting the lockdown from March 23rd, 2020, Janta lockdown or Janta curfew. मोदी जी थाली बजाना, घंटी बजाना, मैंने तो खैर कुछ नहीं बजाया, मेरी तो खुद बजी पड़ी है. लेकिन उसके बाद I started documenting the lockdown from 24th or 25th onwards, and I shot about 90 videos, all on YouTube. Do check them out. They're mostly, the videos of lockdown are in Bandra. I did not go out of Bandra because couldn't take the risk. Now I am vaccinated. I have had both the jabs at Bhabha Hospital, a very good place. I have taken COVID shield. My wife got her first jab at Leelavati Hospital, another good place. And the second jab is after 40 days or 45 days. And that's you can see the Rafale jet. So, this is Bandra Bandstand, the most expensive property in Mumbai as such. The mini buses are plying. AC bus, you have to pay 6 rupees. They take you to the station, and from the station, if you want to come back here, you can just pay 6 rupees. It's not bad. I was today deciding either to walk from Bandra to Mahim Dargah, shoot the iftar, but my lift was not working at that time and I have to climb down 5 floors. Otherwise I thought of walking from Bandra to Jhoom via Linking Road, but then my wife told me to take it easy and not to get carried away, and now I have walked more than 1.5 hours. Take care, Raman. All the best. The police a massive police patrol going on. Well, this is an area that gets crowded very fast. If you are found without mask, the fine is 200 rupees. The hungry cat. Can't show you. The cat is following me. I've exhausted all the biscuits. The stray animals are having a really tough time because very few people come out of the houses. There are very few crazy people like me who come out of the house. Now I want to show you something. It's tough to show you anything on this Instagram live, but I will show you. You can see those are tetrapods. They will be coming here. Those are tetrapods. This bandstand will become like Marine Drive. Those are the tetrapods. Those are the tetrapods. The police are doing a fantastic job, a really great job. So I salute them. And I'm walking. I started my walk at 5 p.m. from my house to Bandra Reclamation to Mount Carmel to Sebastian Road, Rebello Road, Good Luck Restaurant, Mount Mary Steps, Mount Mary, Kane Road, Jafar Baba's Dargah, next to Cliff, and now I've come down Kane Road towards Bandstand. My legs are hurting like mad, but I shall. Hi, Kanna, how are you? All the best to you, brother. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you.
आप बहुत देर हो रहा है, आप यहीं बोलिए।
I want to talk to you.
बोलिए ना।
This is a police officer, sir. I'm grateful
No,
to
no,
you. I'm grateful
Please
to you.
not.
Okay. No, I'm grateful to you for all that you are doing. आप गलत समझ रहे हो. So you all are doing a great job. You all are doing a great job.
हम कर रहे हैं लेकिन
No, I'm a press reporter. So I'm recording about the cops and everybody. The good job you all are doing. And I think the first commissioner of Mumbai Police, Mr. Hemant Nagrale, he's the first commissioner in 65 years. I said he's the first commissioner of Mumbai Police in 65 years I have found. He has told you all to be compassionate, to be nice, to be polite. Thank you. Thank you. This is the Mumbai Police. Now they're stopping the walkers even. This road leads to Mr. Salman Khan's house, Galaxy. I have not met Salim Khan Saab, who I consider my guru since a very long time. Because I stopped coming to Bandstand. And this is, you can see the police van out there. So there used to be a lady at the bus stop. I don't know if she's there. Her name was Asma. She was stranded last year due to the lockdown. And so she used to live at the bus stop. I don't know if she's there. वो इधर औरत होती थी, गई क्या? कहाँ गई? हाँ? नहीं, वो इधर औरत थी ना, गई? किधर गई? No, that is Galaxy. Mr. Salman Khan stays. I'm outside his house. This is Galaxy. तू भूल गई मेरे को. मेरा तो ऑपरेशन हो गया ना. मेरा ऑपरेशन हो गया ना दिसंबर में. हाँ ना, इधर. This is my friend, a very good lady, and I call her the wild orchid. She and her mother used to clean the seashore. They used to do a great job. She's a beautiful lady, and I salute her. So now, Safdar Irani Saab, Assalamu alaikum. Kumar Saab, Assalamu alaikum. I'm at Bandstand. I walked almost 1.5 hours. And this is opposite Salman Khan Saab's house. That is Galaxy. This is where Mr. Salman Khan stays. This is the entrance to the bandstand. There's nobody walking on the promenade. Everything is stopped. Now I'll take a rickshaw and go home. All the best to you all. Bye, Kumar.